Hi guys, my name is Parag Pal and welcome back in my new video. In this video, we are going to discuss about how you can easily calculate the quantity and the cost for a construction of plain cement concrete means PCC. And this is one of the very easy calculator for all of you because you just need to put some entries and based on that you will get some best desired outputs. Okay, so let's get started. Before starting this video, I would like to ask you guys if you not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel called Parag Pal. Okay, and this channel is very important because I am providing you lots of civil engineering stuff with the proper knowledge. Okay, and it will be very helpful with the lots of tools and techniques, right? So let's get started. So first of all, let me introduce what is PCC. PCC is a part of the foundation, a substructure which is called as a plain cement concrete. We use this PCC, okay, to avoid the evaporate the insertion of the groundwater, okay, into the foundations one, and also to provide the stability to the foundations. That's the main concern of the PCC. PCC would be PCC can be construct in a small excavation trench, okay, or it can be also placed in the big trenches also, right? So as you can see here, if you just want to use this quantity calculator PCC tool, then click on the link given in the description box and you will directly come to this web page, okay? Or you can also visit my website civilnotes.com. Here also you can use this tool, okay? Now if I just come down, you can see this calculator. Okay. So in this calculator, what you need to do is you need to provide some inputs which is highlighted in the yellow color box. So let's take an example. You have the PCC, okay, of size 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. Okay, and that is not possible because height won't be a 1 meter. In some cases, height will be 1 meter, but the length and width will be changed. Okay, so I'm considering one consideration such as to 1.5 meter of the length, okay, 1.25 meter of the width, and 0.25 or 0.3 meter of height. So you can see if I just provide the length, width, and height, based on that, it has calculated the volume for the PCC work, so which is 0.56 meter cube. Okay, now based on that, it also identify total volume like wet volume plus dry volume. So that is 0.85. Now I want to use a concrete mix such as 1 is to 1.5 is to 3, 1 is to 2 is to 4, which is as per your mix design. So I am going for 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. So you can see I'll be requiring 0.09 metric cube of the cement, 2.592 bag of the cement will be required, 0.13 metric cube of the sand, and 0.26 metric cube of the coarse aggregate, okay, which requires to prepare the total concrete. Now if I just come down, so you can see the quantity came across, so you got the quantity guys, right? Now we need to apply the rate. So when we are applying the rate for a cement bag, I am providing 450 rupees for the cement bag, 2600 rupees for the sorry, not 2600, it is I'm taking 4000 rupees for the sand, okay, and the coarse aggregate 3500, okay, for a metric cube. Now to construct this work, I required a Mistri, okay, which is 0.03 per day. So I am taking his rate 750 rupees. Mason I required 0.11. I have taken 600 rupees a day. Male Mazdoor 0.62. Female Mazdoor 0.56. Bishti 0.23. And scaffolding is totally required based upon the our requirement. Okay, so which is 5.63. So based on that, you can see guys, I got the labor cost as a 0 1052 and the material cost as a 2596. Okay, so if I just made total over here, so the total cost will be 3648. Now if I just add the water charges of the 0.05 percentage, okay, machinery charges 0.02 percentage and contractor profit of 0.10%. So you can see my total cost for the PCC construction, okay, with the size of 1.5 to 1.25 to 0.3 is 4268. Now you can see the magic. If you are changing your grade, definitely there will be the changes and you can see your cost is reducing to 4000 rupees. Okay, so this is a magic of this tool where you can use lots of tools also when you visit my website and click on the estimation calculator. This estimator calculator such as rate analysis for PCC work, plaster work, okay, and lots of calculator also available over here. So these all calculator will help you, okay, to identify lots of different things. So I hope you like this PCC calculator. To use this, you can just click on the link below in the description box and you can easily use this. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a nice day guys. Bye bye.